it means a lot to me to be able to give back to the country. Coming from a family where my grandpa served, I decided to join the military, and as part of that I signed up and I got to go to airborne school, basic training, and then I go to 14 weeks of radio operator school. They came to me at the end of my radio training and they were like, we have 3 immediate slots in Vicenza, Italy of all places, that we have to fill right now. They said you can have 24 hours to think about it. We went to chow that night and sat around and we were like, we're 18 years old and they're gonna send us to Italy for 2 years. So after a little bit of leave, we were off to Italy. 6 months in Italy before we were assigned to go to Germany for training for a month and spent some time in Germany. And then of course the deployment to Afghanistan, and good, bad, up, down, it doesn't matter. I wouldn't trade any of that for the world. After that, I transitioned back into civilian life and went to college. And so it's kind of funny because the one thing I didn't request when I joined the military, which was to be a radio operator, is the only thing that really stuck in my military career. And fell back into working with a corporation that did handheld, small form factor handheld radios for the military. Craziest part was when I got out in 07, everything was still done through serial data on these radios. And then I come back in 2015 and all of a sudden every radio has an IP address, and it was a little outside of my comfort zone. So that's kind of what led me to wanting to pursue more education in the networking side of things. I work as a system integration engineer for the US military. When the military buys a radio system, we get up in front of a classroom full of soldiers and teach them and make sure that they understand how to make that radio do the 199 things it's supposed to do. And having spent time in combat using tactical radios, I know how important that is to make sure that they have that knowledge. The first step in that is making sure that I have the depth of understanding in all of these processes so that I can train it efficiently. CBT Nuggets is used heavily in the military. Heck, even in Afghanistan, I was able to, set up my computer in our office and get our crappy internet connection to work and watch a single video or 2 a day while I was over there. I personally like just the way the videos are structured because I can pause, rewind, fast forward, especially the way Jeremy has his classes set up. Most of the time it's just, I can go back and like, oh, well, what was that command, and review that stuff. Pretty much every video has a 3 or 4 question quiz that goes along with it. You can go through and answer it while you're watching the video. On top of that, I can go back and do those quizzes without having to watch the video. And I've done that a couple times, just reviewed all the different quizzes to make sure, like, hey, 2 months ago when I was listening to these videos in Afghanistan, do I actually remember that stuff I learned? I want to make sure that I stay on the leading edge of all that stuff so that I can provide better service to the soldiers that we work with. For me, that's the most rewarding part, is being able to pass this knowledge along, make sure that they have the tools they need to be successful. The biggest reason I train is my family. I have a wife and wonderful daughter, and my grandpa was a World War II veteran. Spent some time in Italy. Would never talk to anybody about the experiences he had, and I would come home after these long days. Didn't matter if it was 6 p.m. or 10 p.m. He was sitting in his recliner, and as soon as he saw me around the corner, he'd get up out of his chair and say, I'm gonna make drinks. We'd sit there till the drinks were gone, and he'd tell me his stories about Italy, and it still sticks with me to this day. I can still hear him telling the stories in my head. According to my mom, I was one of few people he would open up to about that. It was a pretty rewarding experience. Just having him share those stories and be able to carry on those memories. So